Hi everyone, welcome back to Easy English Daily.
Hey there. It's great to see you all again.
Mark, I have a question for you today.
Oh, really? What is it, Emma?
Well, a viewer asked us, how do I describe my city in English?
That is a fantastic question.
I know, right? People always ask that.
It's so useful for making friends.
Exactly. When you travel, people always ask, where are you from?
And what is it like there?
Yes, so today, let's talk about our cities.
I love that idea. Let's do it.
So, Mark, where do you live now?
Right now, I live in a pretty big city.
Oh, do you like it?
I do. It's very lively.
Live it. What does that mean? Just kidding. I mean lively.
Haha. Yes, lively. Lively.
That means it has a lot of energy, right?
Yes, exactly. There are always people on the streets.
There is always something to do.
Yes, it never sleeps.
My city is a bit different.
Really? Where do you live, Emma?
I live in a quiet town near the coast.
Oh, wow. Near the ocean?
Yes, right by the sea.
That sounds amazing.
It is beautiful, but it can be a bit boring sometimes.
Boring? Why is that?
Well, in the winter, there are no tourists.
Ah, I see.
So, many shops close early.
That sounds peaceful, though.
It is. It's very peaceful.
Peaceful is a great word for English learners.
Yes, it means calm and quiet. No stress.
I need some of that. My city is so noisy.
Is it really that loud?
Oh, yes, the traffic is terrible.
Ugh, traffic. I hate traffic.
Me too. There are cars honking all the time.
Honking? Like beep beep?
Haha, yes, exactly. Beep beep all day long.
That would drive me crazy.
It does sometimes, but the food here makes up for it.
Oh, tell me about the food.
Well, my city is famous for its street food.
Delicious. What kind of street food?
Everything, noodles, tacos, sweet treats.
Stop, you're making me hungry.
Haha, sorry, but really, the food culture is incredible.
That's a good phrase. Food culture.
Yes, it means the city loves food and has many options.
In my town, we mostly have seafood.
Fresh seafood?
Very fresh. The fishermen catch it in the morning,
Wow,
and you can eat it for lunch.
that sounds like a dream.
It is fresh and delicious.
You are making me hungry now.
Haha, we are even.
So, Emma, what is the weather like in your town?
It's quite windy because we are near the water.
When can be nice in the summer?
Yes, it keeps the city cool.
My city gets so hot in July.
Really?
Yes, the concrete and the buildings trap the heat.
Oh, that sounds uncomfortable.
It is. It's very humid too.
Humid means there is a lot of water in the air, right?
Yes, it feels wet and sticky.
I don't like sticky weather.
No one does. Everyone stays inside with the air conditioning.
I prefer the fresh sea breeze.
I don't blame you.
So, Mark, how do you get around your city?
Get around? You mean transport.
Yes, how do you travel from place to place?
Mostly, I take the subway.
Is the subway crowded?
Oh, yes, especially during rush hour.
Rush hour is the busy time, right?
Yes, in the morning when people go to work.
And in the evening when they go home.
Exactly. It's packed.
Packed means completely full.
Yes, like a box of sardines.
Haha, no space to move.
None at all.
In my town, I usually walk.
Walk everywhere.
Yes, it's a very walkable town.
Walkable. That's a useful word.
It means everything is close together.
You don't need a car.
Not really. I can walk to the supermarket.
Nice.
I can walk to the beach.
I'm so jealous.
And I can walk to my favorite cafe.
That sounds so convenient.
It is. It keeps me healthy too.
I bet. I walk a lot, but only inside the subway stations.
Haha, that counts as exercise.
I guess so.
What about the people in your city, Mark?
The people are busy.
Busy? Are they friendly?
They are friendly if you ask for help,
Okay, that's good.
but usually they are walking fast and looking at their phones.
Ah, big city life.
Yes, everyone is in a rush.
In my town, people are very relaxed.
Really?
Yes, neighbors always stop to say hello.
That's so sweet.
Sometimes they chat for 20 minutes on the street.
Wow, 20 minutes.
Yes, everyone knows everyone.
That can be good, but also bad, right?
Haha, yes, no secrets in a small town.
Exactly. Everyone knows your business.
True, but it feels safe.
Safety is important. My city is generally safe,
That's good to hear.
but you have to be careful at night in certain areas.
Like any big city, I suppose.
Yes, you just need to use common sense.
Common sense means being smart and careful.
Exactly. Don't walk alone in dark places.
Right, good advice for any traveler.
Yes,
Mark, what is your favorite landmark in your city?
landmark. You mean a famous building or place?
Yes, a place people recognize.
There is a beautiful historic bridge in the center.
Oh, I love old bridges.
It looks beautiful at night when the lights come on.
That sounds very romantic.
It is. Many couples walk there.
What about parks? Are there any green spaces?
Yes, we have one huge park in the middle of the city.
Oh, thank goodness. A city needs trees.
I agree. It's like a green oasis.
Oasis is a lovely word, a peaceful place in a busy area.
Yes, I go there on weekends to read a book.
That sounds lovely.
What about your town, Emma? Any landmarks?
We have an old lighthouse on the cliff.
A lighthouse. Wow.
Yes, it's painted white and red.
Can you go inside?
Yes, you can climb to the top.
Is the view good?
The view is breathtaking.
Breathtaking means amazing, right?
Yes, it takes your breath away because it's so beautiful.
I want to see that.
You should visit sometime.
I would love to.
You can taste the seafood too.
Now I definitely have to visit.
Haha, you are welcome anytime.
Thanks, Emma.
So, Mark, if you had to describe your city in 3 words,
Oh, 3 words. That's hard.
you can do it. Think about it.
Okay, I would say lively, diverse, crowded.
Diverse, that's a good word.
Yes, people from all over the world live here.
That means many languages and cultures.
Yes, I love that about my city.
Lively, diverse, crowded, perfect.
Now it's your turn, Emma. 3 words for your town.
Okay, let's see peaceful, scenic, friendly.
Scenic, what does that mean?
Scenic means it has beautiful natural views.
Ah, like a postcard.
Yes, exactly like a postcard.
Peaceful, scenic, friendly. It sounds perfect.
It's a great place to relax.
It sounds like it.
But your city sounds exciting.
It is exciting. There's always live music and art.
That's the great thing about the world.
Yes, every city has its own personality.
Exactly. No two places are the same.
And that's why we love to travel
Yes, to see new things and meet new people.
and practice English.
Of course, speaking English helps you talk to people everywhere.
It really does. It opens so many doors.
Well, Mark, this was a great chat.
I enjoyed it too, Emma.
I hope our listeners learned some good words today.
I'm sure they did. Lively, peaceful, scenic, pack.
So many useful adjectives.
Don't forget breathtaking.
Yes, that's my favorite.
Now, we want to hear from our viewers.
Yes, please, it's your turn to practice.
Tell us about your city or town in the comments below.
Is it big or small?
Is it noisy or quiet?
What is the food like?
Use some of the words you learned today.
Don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Mistakes are how we learn.
Exactly, we read every single comment.
We really do. We love reading your stories.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up.
And click that subscribe button.
It helps our channel grow so we can make more videos for you.
Thank you so much for watching and listening today.
Keep practicing your English every day.
You are doing great.
See you in the next video.
Bye bye, everyone.
Goodbye.